Types of coral reef. A coral reef is a ridge or a mound of limestone on the upper surface of which lies near the surface of the sea. It is formed of calcium carbonate and it is produced by the action of coral polyps. The composition of coral reef. The coral reef is formed by the activity of coral animals, and it is formed by the deposition of calcareous secretion of the coral polyps, and chemically it is formed of calcium carbonate. The coral reef is suitable habitat for marine organisms, and this coral reef provides food and shelter for the marine organisms. There are three types of coral reef, and the three types of coral reefs are fringing reef, barrier reef and atoll. You can just see the diagram or the figure which shows the fringing reef. This develops in the shallow water along with the coast of tropical and subtropical island, and this reef is attached lying adjacent to the shore of the island or the continent, and this type of coral reef is found in Caribbean and Red Sea. And this figure also shows the fringing reef. So it is described as a large massive corallium that is seen on the shore and it projects into the sea. This projects into the sea, and this is the most common type which is seen in the warm clear water of the world. And this fringing reef are seen around an island of forming or a border around the land masses that face the sea. Next is the barrier reef. The barrier reef is located in the coral sea off the coast of Queensland, that is in Australia. It is called the Great Barrier Reef, and it goes parallel to the coastline, but it is separated by a lagoon. So the lagoon develops between the fringing reef and the land. And also the barrier reef is a large stretch of the reef that is seen few meters away from the seashore. Because it is a little distance away from the sea, the shallow water body enclosed between the shore and the barrier reef is termed as a lagoon. So the Great Barrier Reef of Australia is about 10,000 miles long, seen along the northeast Australian coast. Next is atoll. Atoll is a ring-shaped coral reef or an island, and it surrounds the lagoon. This is what is called as an atoll, and this atoll often sits on the rim of an extinct volcano. The atoll is a fringing reef that actually surrounds the peak of a volcanic island, and the island may sink, leaving the reef to look like a circular barrier reef. So the water body enclosed in the circular reef is once again the lagoon. And there are breaks in this circular reef. This allow the entry of the water into the lagoon. So some parts of the atoll may be submerged, and thus only certain areas are visible, and this forms the island, and island of Bermuda are visible parts of an atoll. This is about the atoll. And there are other types of table reef, and there are small open patches of the reef and that are visible on the water surface, and they do not lie on the island or encloses the lagoon. So the patch reef are small circular or irregular patches of reef that arises from the base of the lagoon within the atoll or near the barrier reef. Coming to the importance of the coral reef and the corals. The main importance of coral reef is the ridges in the coral reef, they can reduce the wave energy, and it protects us from the threats such as tsunami. So the reef acts as a barrier that helps to protect 14% of the world coastlines from the erosion caused by the water. Hence the name, the barrier reef. The coral reefs are home to the thousands of different species. You can see many number of species occupied in this particular area. The coral extracts have been used for the treatment of cancer, asthma, arthritis and heart diseases, and it is also used for bone replacement because of its calcium content. And the coral reefs helps moderate atmospheric temperature by removing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, and this coral reef contribute to the economy as many people earn the living from collecting and processing the reef products. And this coral reef is also a tourist attraction as many people love to see the amazing creation. And this coral provide food for other marine life, and coral supports fish population. Coming to the importance of corals, the Corallium rubrum, it is treated as a precious stone and it is used for making jewelry. And this corallium are used for making ornamental cuirass. And Corallium rubrum and Tubipora possesses medicinal value. So these are about the coral, the importance of corals and the importance of coral reef. Thank you.